A very good morning to all of you. So today we will see the formation of the eh sound, and then we will do some tracing work too. Okay, so before that, how are you? I am fine, thank you. How are you? Good job, well done. Okay, so before that, let's revise the song of the eh sound. Okay, with sound eh eh. Okay, let's do the action with the song. Do you remember the action? Yes, you have to pretend cracking the egg with one hand on the pan, and using both hands you have to take the shell out like this. Okay, so let's do the action. 1, 2, 3 and go.
Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, crack the egg like this,
Okay, let's do again.
Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, crack the egg like this,
Good job. Okay, so well done. You have to remember the phonics song and you have to remember the vocabulary also. Okay, now today I will tell you the formation of the eh sound. What you have to do, you have to can you see it? Yes, first you have to start from here. Okay, go a little bit right, then up, left, down, and then to the right. Okay, first to the left, then up, left, down, then right. Okay, again to the right, up, left, down, then to the right. Okay, let's do it again. Right, up, left, down, right. Okay, so do with me like this. Okay, let's do without the marker. Okay, so take your index finger out. Yes, take your index finger. Okay, now you make a line like this. Okay, so from this side you will bring it here, go up, down, and then to the right. Okay, again, right, up, left, down, right. Okay, so do like this. Yes. Okay, make like this, like this, like this. Okay, like this. Good job, well done. So I will tell you how to trace it again on my table. Okay, so children, see, you have to make like this. Okay, first you have to make a slipping line like this. Okay, come to the right, then you have to go a little bit up, then you have to come back to the left. Okay, then you have to come down in a curve. Okay, like this. So let me show you again. So first you have to make a slipping line like this, come to the right. Okay, then you have to go little bit up. Okay, then you have to come to the left, then you have to come all the way down in a curve like this. Okay, so this will be your eh sound. Okay children, so I will tell you in the book also. Okay children, so take out your book, my first writing book, small letters. Okay, you have to take out this book and you need to take out page number 12. Okay, 1 to 12. Okay, and you have to do this tracing work today. So can you see the formation here? Yes, you have to make a slipping line and you have to come to the right. Okay, then you have to go up a little bit and then come down like this. Okay, so like this. So now we will trace the sound. So for this, what you have to do, you have to start with a slipping line, go up a bit, come down, and then like this. Okay, you have to trace it on the dots. Okay, then only you will know how to make the eh sound. So you have to do it very carefully and very neatly. Okay, so let me show you again. First you have to make a slipping line like this, go up a bit, come down, and then like this. Okay children, so you have to do it with your pencil in your book. Okay, so the page number is 12. Okay, my first writing book. So this much for today. I hope you liked the video and thank you for watching.